Hello, welcome to Learning with Dawn. I am going to try and make a daffodil today, and I don't have my leaf press that I usually use, so I'm going to try and shape it myself. Good luck me.